Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KC24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
We are golden in every way. We are family.
There is pride in being a student at Golden Charter Academy, even more so since the completion of the school's new building.
Congratulations, and it's going to be a great year. Thank you.
The Academy is the nation's first TK through 8th grade environmental steward zoo school. It was always the dream of founder and CEO Robert Golden to construct a state-of-the-art facility across the street from the Fresno Chaffee Zoo. Students have been attending classes there since the school opened.
This is the realization of a dream and a vision from Mr. Golden from when he was a child. And to see it come about and to see the design and shape is so unique for this community.
The charter school first opened in 2021, housed in a former Catholic school building in central Fresno. Teacher Shanta Williams has taught at Golden for 4 years. She and her students are in awe of the new facility.
For one, it's beautiful. Secondly, we have enough room for the scholars, and they just excited about being here.
The school was designed by famed architect Art Dyson. Dyson's buildings are created to enhance student learning. There is natural lighting, an open environment concept with recycled redwood ceilings, and the roof design is inspired by the surrounding mountains.
Everything is designed, how do we get along with our environment, at the same time provide a quality learning space for our students?
The outdoor space is built for learning. Sitting areas are places where students can plant and tend their gardens. Every building has its own outdoor learning space.
They can do their science, they can do the reading, they can do all these subjects out there if they choose to, but I can see them and I can continue my instruction on the inside.
Golden Charter Academy continues to build a strong academic program, bringing in consultants from UC Merced to review its science curriculum. And this year, the Academy added its first 8th grade class. Administrators say there is still room to grow.
Rob said at the ribbon cutting, this is not my school, it's our school. And it is open to the community. We have spaces right now available for kids that want to come here and enjoy this program.
The larger facility makes it possible for the school to increase its enrollment. For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.